We are going to make my filled French toast made out of pantry ingredients. And we are going to feature the incredible preserve from Bonne Maman.
What do you call this?
Bonne Maman Preserves.
So this is my son, he's gonna help us bake. Okay, can you help me crack the eggs? Dangerous. We'll see how this goes. Okay, ready? Let's crack. So you want 3 eggs, half a cup of milk, and half a cup of cream. If you don't have cream, no big deal, you can just use all milk. Add some fresh cracked pepper. Yeah. And then 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Yeah, go ahead. About a tablespoon of sugar added to it. The pepper is kind of a unique ingredient, but I really like it. It just kind of brings everything together and it's really delicious. So you just want to whisk it together until the ingredients are combined and then set that aside. And then I'm going to show you how to fill this French toast as well. If you have a thicker piece of bread and it's already pre-sliced, just cut it from the bottom. So you don't slice it all the way to the end. You want to just leave it kind of together a little bit. And then you just add a little bit of the cheese, a little bit of the Bonne Maman. All you're going to do to fill the sandwich bread is just take a little bit of the cheese and spread it right here. And then I'm going to show you how to do it with chocolate chips. So we'll use regular sandwich bread, and you can add chocolate chips. You're welcome. We have 3 different fillings, and then dip either side. And you want to make sure that you have your pan ready as well with the butter. And then you want your pan on like a medium heat. You don't want it too hot, or else it's going to burn the outside of the French toast before it cooks the inside of it. Because remember, we have this filled. Wanted to give you a quick tip that I forgot to mention. You can prep all of your bread and French toast ahead of time, and then you can dip as you go.
Can you put a little bit of Bonne Maman in my mouth?
So good? What do you think?
Good.
Thank you for making filled French toast with me. My kids love the chocolate chip ones. They love putting the Bonne Maman on top of the French toast too, especially when it's warm. It gets all nice and melty. Mwah! Happy baking. I'm Robyn. Thanks for being here. So good. Amazing. I'm gonna finish eating this. You can watch me if you want. You want some? Don't you hate how like anytime you have a stuffy nose or like a runny nose, you're like, ah, coronavirus. So good.